What are you doing?
Flying my helicopter.
Is that your helicopter?
No.
How do you fly? Let me see your controller. Tell me how it works.
You just press it up, and then it flies, and then you do the contraction.
The steering?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see you fly it.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead. Good job. Do another one. Good work, buddy. Give me a thumbs up.
I have to move back where it was.
Okay, one more. Let's do one more flight. Hang on. Let's aim it this way.
That car fly.
Okay.
How many turn I went?
Go ahead. Go for it. It's your helicopter. Go ahead.
I can
Okay,
do it.
fly away. It's okay. Whoa. Whoa. Thumbs up.